Good morning, mathematicians. Happy Wednesday. Coming at you with a new lesson for today and a little reminder. I want you guys to really read carefully and listen to the lesson. Oftentimes, through the video lessons and through our directions that we're writing, it's telling you exactly what you need to be doing for math or reading or history. Okay, so specifically with math, I want you to really be aware of what's being asked, okay? Most likely today, there's going to be 10 problems as a must do with an additional 5 of some extra review, okay? So when I'm done with my lesson, please follow along with what it is that it's asking you to do, okay? Okay, here we go. We're gonna get started today with our lesson. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be multiplying fractions by a whole number. Same thing that you did yesterday, but today you're going to be seeing some models, some fraction models, okay, instead of arrays. What I want you to do, as always, is get some paper, get a pencil, watch the video and follow along with the examples, and then pause and replay if needed. This is a great resource, like I said yesterday, with the taped lessons that you can replay at any time if you're confused. And then directly after the math video, we really want you to get in the habit of just logging right into IXL. There's a link right below the lesson, and log in to do your must-dos. Okay, so over here, here's your must-do for today. Please follow along really carefully as I go over it. Your must-do is IXL M8, 10 problems. Also, you're going to log into C13 and do 5 problems. That is multiplication that we were practicing last week. If for any reason C13 is too difficult, you can find another multiplication that might be more suited for you, okay? After your must-dos, you are more than welcome. We were really excited to see that some people explored problem of the week yesterday. You could do menu math from last week, pick another square to explore some creative ways of exploring multiplication. Or you can practice more multiplication on C13 or C14, alrighty? Some people were asking about the problem of the week, where you're supposed to do that. Find a piece of paper, do it on Google Docs. You be creative of how you want to show your work, and at the end of the week, we'll give you the answer for problem of the week. Alrighty, let's get started. Here's an example of something you're going to see in today's lesson. Here's a model, and this model shows 2 times 2/7, okay? You're seeing 2 fraction models that represent 2/7. First, we're going to go through this lesson and it's going to ask you how many 1/7 parts are shaded. Complete the equation. So at this time, they're asking you how many 1/7 are shaded all together. Okay, so what they're going to be showing you is that 2 times 2/7 is equivalent to, you got it, 4 times 1/7. Okay, 4 of those parts are shaded. There's going to be a second part to your questions today, and it's going to ask you to find the product, to basically solve a whole times a fraction. Okay, and through this exercise that you just did, you'll be able to fill this in. So finding the product, 2 times 2/7 is actually 4/7. Okay, some of you might be recognizing right here in the equation an algorithm. Okay, you might be seeing a pattern of how to solve these problems, and some of you are really aware of this before we went on our distance learning. Please utilize that. Tomorrow, we're going to be opening this up to many different strategies that are a little more efficient, or some of you may choose to use models, and that's fine as well. Okay, okay. So now it's your turn. Alrighty, what I want you to do today is please, when you're done watching this, log into IXL and do M8, 10 problems. Go ahead and also, when you're done with that, do C13, 5 problems to review multiplication. Okay. And then once again, you can look here for your may do's. Okay. As always, try really hard, push through, have that growth mindset. We're really looking, Miss Wells and I, to see that you are practicing math daily. And those are some of the things that when we touch base with you through our conferences, that we'll be asking how math is going, okay? Even if you're getting things wrong on IXL, please push through. It really helps us to see where we're struggling and what we can do to support you at home, okay? Off you go, mathematicians. See you soon.